Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale under the cost of 20 million Jamaican dollars in Jamaica. House number 1. For house number 1, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in New Harbour Village in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 3,772 square feet and it's on the market for 19 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go and take a closer look. First, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms, however only one is being shown. Followed by that is the bathroom. Out of 2 bathrooms, only one is being shown. We then move from here and head to the back of the house. That will then end house number 1. We move right along to house number 2. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house found in Hammersmith, Falmouth, Trelawney. The size of this house is 2,000 square feet, with the size of the lot being 5,000 square feet. This house is currently on the market for 17.2 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. First, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. Out of 2 bedrooms, only one is being shown. Next is the bathroom. We then head to the back of the house, and from here we're going to head right over to house number 3. This is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in Caron Hall in St. Mary. The square footage of this house is 2,100 square feet and it's been listed for 17.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the veranda. Next is the first living area. And this is a second living area. Followed by that is the dining area. And next are the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is a second kitchen. Followed by that is a study. And we're now going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, 2 were shown. We then have the bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only one is being shown. We then head on the outside. And that would be the end of the images for house number 3. House number 4. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Newarton, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 11,203 square feet and it's on the market for 14.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area. Next is the kitchen and the dining area. We're then going to move on to the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms, however only one is being shown. Next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is a second bathroom. We then move from here and head on the outside. And that will be the end of the images for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house found in the community of Hampstead in St. Mary. The size of this house is 1,100 square feet and it's on the market for 10.5 million Jamaican dollars. So I must mention that this house has a few incomplete sections, so let's go ahead and take a look. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Followed by that are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this would be the third bedroom. We then move on to the bathroom. And from here we're going to head to the back of the house. That would be the end for house number 5.